What up, YouTube? It's J-Lo. About to go up with another upload real soon. But I just want to give y'all a little update. This is the aftermath of Biloxi. No, this did not happen from me racing on the motherfucking drag strip. First off, because I wasn't even racing. Me and my homeboy was going like less than like 60 miles per hour. We was really catching a roller, to be honest. But I'm gonna show y'all what's going on. I don't know what's going on with Big Red, but she got a misfire. Might be my head gasket, I don't know for sure. I changed my spark plug wires, changed cylinder 6 ignition coil, still misfire. I plugged up my O2 sensor, still misfires. So I don't know what's going on. So I'm trying to find somebody to change my head gasket, cause I don't fuck with motor working. Y'all knew that by now, but yeah. Oh, we've been doing good with the subscribers, with the views and everything. We've been doing good with that. So y'all keep that shit up. Y'all keep sharing. Y'all keep reposting. You know what I'm saying? One day I think we're gonna make it if we keep this shit up. Consistency is key when it comes to YouTube. I didn't believe in what they said about consistency and all that shit, but every time I kept uploading, subscribers kept going up. It was 10 subscribers, went up from 20 to 30 every day. So sometimes I didn't have to upload it for a week. I still get like 40, 50 subscribers a day. Now look at us. We at 1.1 subs, almost at 1.2 already. So, and we hit 1,000 2 weeks ago. So fuck, you know what I'm saying? So y'all keep that shit up. It's gonna be a little short upload. You know, like I say, ain't gonna really have much shit going on. Just gonna be fixing Big Red, getting her back up, running and shit. I mean, she run, motor not bad, she runs. It's just that misfire is terrible and that auto's rough as fuck. So when we get that shit, gonna try to get that shit done. But from right now, this video I'm gonna have back, y'all. My phone was tripping, but I'm back. So what I was saying was, before my phone started lagging and shit, yeah, this video is gonna be about fixing this bitch. You know, showing y'all all the vehicles. Also, if y'all need a wash, if y'all need a little small little detail or some shit, I don't do no buffing and shit yet. I can polish up a little bit, a little something. I can hand polish a little bit, but I don't do nothing that expert professional ass shit. But if y'all need something done, y'all need a wash, y'all hit me up. I'm washing all day, every fucking day. I washed 5 vehicles this week. I washed 3 yesterday. And I washed a couple today, you know what I'm saying? So we getting down with business. I'm not working right now, so you know what I'm saying? So we grinding, we hustling. You know, so it is what it is. Whatever. There's always money to be made. Always money to be made. So it is what it is. Don't sit in y'all ass all day. Motivation is key. Motion. That's what I'm saying, just motion, bro. But yeah, this is J-Lo. I hope y'all like the video. Like, comment, subscribe. Y'all share and repost my shit. I appreciate all y'all. All love. We fuck with y'all. Son getting a new setup. Can't show y'all what it is. Bro, I don't know how the fuck this nigga made it to scraping, y'all. All that boy lugs was loose.
Loose as fuck. I could have took them bitches off of my hand, dude.
On all 4 wheels, y'all. All 4 wheels, bro. But yeah, he getting a new setup. He getting some more 4s and 5s. Nothing too. I mean, it's a big upgrade for him because he never really had, you know, really it's like actual chrome wheels that everybody can get. But it's gonna be his first big setup, so it's gonna be a big upgrade for him. Playboy shit, you know what I'm saying? Since finally starting to get valid, took a little bit, but he getting there. But I'm gonna show y'all when dude get here. You know, I'm gonna show you what wheels he getting when we get him on.
Some wires, but
Yeah, trying to get on some wires, some 24x12s, 14s. You know what I'm saying? So if y'all
like the wheels that I'm about to get,
yeah.
trade for some wires.
Yeah, I'm gonna post some bitches on Facebook and my Snap for y'all. See if y'all want them bitches. But yeah, I'll show y'all when he get here. Bop, 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 bop.
Man, shit always did something different than everybody else.
Dry as fuck.
So,
Moist. 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 This shit
you know,
was
he got me turning black.
facts. Sorry about that. That's wild.
Come on, bitch, get out of there. What?
That's crazy, son.
That shit is, bro. Look how dry that hoe is.
Bro, that shit sandy.
For real. Shit really rusty.
That's tough as hell. Should I just come off?
Alright, well, we didn't break any. Well, I didn't. I don't put no fucking pressure on this.
Hey, yeah.
Right, is this one?
Mm-hmm.
It's stupid hot.
Oh, bitch.
That's how you just take that video? Just rip it off?
Mm-hmm.
I ain't lying.
You're supposed to
For this one, for the fuel injector, I might go to AutoZone because I got that $50.
Oh, yeah.
And I got the
Low shit.
yeah, I got Lowe's commercial account. Yeah, nigga. And I got the $50 card.
That bitch don't want to come out. Hey, pull that bitch out of there.
YouTube, y'all know. Continuation of the video. My bad, I'm talking like this, but I'm a little frustrated. Shit, man. So I told y'all Big Ray down and shit, bruh. Yo, when I tell y'all we changed up to down on that bitch, and that bitch still misfiring, y'all. That bitch still misfiring, bro. I changed my God damn. I changed spark plug wires, ignition coils. I changed valve cover gaskets. I changed exhaust manifold gaskets. I changed my O2 sensor. And it's still misfiring the cylinder 6, man. I don't know what it is. I'm going to O'Reilly's right now to get some push rods. One more push rod. Hopefully that fixes my engine light flashing problem. Hopefully, and that fixes cylinder 6. Hopefully. So, we're doing that. Get back with y'all when I get back to the crib. I ain't been recording because I've been trying to, fix my shit, obviously. But yeah, so going to a ride, cruise to the fucking parking lot and shit. But yeah, I'm gonna get that shit. Done. What up, YouTube? Sorry, I haven't been vlogging our little mechanic work we got going on and shit, but. As y'all can tell, we changed all my gaskets because my shit got a cylinder 6 misfire. We changed all my gaskets and everything almost damn near in the passenger side and driver side, but my shit still misfires. Come to find out last night, one of my I think it's my rocker valves. I think it's a rocker valve. I don't know shit about the motor, but it's one of them in cylinder 6. It's like frozen. It's like stuck and it doesn't move with the rest of them. So now we gotta go to pull apart, y'all. We can go to pull apart. We gotta do that. Gotta go to pull apart. Look for a head.
Hold on,
whatever.
Dick look.
Get that bitch. Slap that bitch on this one. And call it a day. And get my bitch back up and running. So until then. I'm gonna video us and pull apart, shit like that, yada yada yada, getting everything set up, all that shit. So yeah, y'all like the video? Like, comment, and subscribe, share, and repost. We growing day by day. Y'all know the vibes, like I told y'all earlier the day before today. Yeah.
What's your fucking problem?
Hold on, Dick look.
YouTube, I ain't recording me driving, but we at my house. We just took some parts off his old motor. Got some push rods, gonna clean those up. And also, we got his rockers where the push rods go into. And with the rocker shit on, because one of my rockers is fucked. So, I'm gonna show y'all how that go. See if we can get Big Red up and running.
I'm gonna get back with y'all when we get back to my house. Gotta stop at O'Reilly's first, get some brake cleaner and shit. We got oven cleaner, but we gotta stop and get some brake cleaner. But after that, when I get to my house, I'm gonna start recording again for y'all and show y'all what we got going on. Yeah.
What the other side can
Fell off. I was driving. Actually. Found the problem, my boy found the problem, y'all. Spring cylinder 6, not expanded.
intake side of the valve. I don't know what the fuck this is even called, but I don't know the technical term. But this, wow. I'm gonna say it again.
That's wall. This little thing.
See how dirty the inside is.
That one spring not expanding, bro. Caused that whole misfire I had, y'all. Look at this.
This caused me to get a whole new motor.
Yeah, that's why.
Cause I couldn't figure this shit out.
Yeah, that's crazy.
Look at that shit. Shit eating my blood.
Thanks.
Damn. Alright, you ready?
Yeah. Putting everything back together, y'all. Hope that shit, my misfire should be good, hopefully. But getting her done, bro. Trying to knock this off because I nigga don't feel like waking up early as fuck again. Nigga gonna sleep till damn near 1 o'clock. I ain't lying. I'm not even really doing most work, but I'm still sore as fuck, low key. So, but that's what we got going on. You know, make sure y'all know people, bro. If I didn't know these two niggas, bro, this shit was not happening. This shit was going straight in the shop, but doing all that, took the intake off, headers off, cleaned everything. Hopefully my shit's solid. Changed the gaskets and everything in this bitch, top to bottom, literally. So yeah, after we get all this, I'm gonna show y'all how she run. Hopefully fix my misfire and get rid of my engine light. Hopefully, so yeah. That bitch looking brand new, man.
Decent. Not good. All the used parts. Fuck it. This bitch worked. My shit worked whenever I had it. So. I'll put this on in after. Put this in. You remember where the boat was?
It was a little,
Yeah,
did you put it up there?
I think so.
Oh, look, right. Well, I see two of them. Right there. Look, blind.
I bought another one. I had set it down over here or something.
Yeah. I actually do not remember.
Oh wait, no. We took out.
Huh?
Alright, now one.
Getting it, boys. What up, gang? It's the next day. This bitch. Shit box, but I love it. Bruh. We changed top to bottom on this bitch. Like I said, we changed valve cover gaskets. This is the second, well, this is about the third day, really. Second or third day, yeah. We changed valve cover gaskets on both sides. We changed head gasket on one side. We changed spark plug wires, ignition coil. We changed the roller. I think it's the roller, my valve spring, one of them. Changed one of them. I think it was the valve spring, changed that. Exhaust manifold gaskets, intake gasket. What else? Fixed my vacuum leak a little bit. All for cylinder 6 misfire. We fixed that. We fixed cylinder 6. It don't, got that new injector in there. Also new injector as well. So yeah, been a lot of money been spent in the past 3 days, should I say. So yeah, that happened, and then but now she starts up and shit. Starts up good and everything. Doesn't idle rough. But now it's saying cylinder 7 is misfire. So I might have, the whole time I've been riding in this bitch, I thought I had 1 misfire. I probably really got 2 misfires now. So, well, not now, but Ben had 2 misfires. So, yeah. So today we're gonna get on that too.
I heard that bitch. Oh, that new head gasket. Hola, ¿cómo está?
Not playing. I got that bitch right. Got that bitch shining. You know what I'm saying? Wrist work on flex. You know what I'm saying? Got Needle Wash get at me. We got Big Kyries. You know Mr. AC in that bitch, but he still slapping. Big ass head. You know what I'm saying? Stop playing. No rush it though. If y'all need to wash, y'all get at me. You know what I'm saying? Stop playing. Oh, wait.
You get your ass beat up.
I'm in my own lane, riding in my own zone. Then I get grown, never lie about shit. Ride for the shit, die for the shit, nigga. Keep thinking I'm a hope. We deliver beat to a nigga front door. Like I'm over eat. Ah.
Where we at? Hold on. Where we at, J-Lo?
Hey, give me the phone.
We in Louisiana.
Hold up, I'm videoing.
Follow me. We got the big rigs. Big rigs. Look, big rig. If you go down there, more big rigs. You know what I'm saying? We getting ready for them fireworks.
What about this side? You ain't seen nobody on this
Got
side?
big rigs. OBS.
Decent.
I just feel like walking.
Yeah, we not walking. But let's go check out who's in the bed in this motherfucker. No, you go first.
Oh, shit. Boy, busting and shit, you heard it? We got Baby Haven. Right? We got Baby Haven right here. We got Haven, we got them. You know,
We got Big Haven, Little
I
Haven.
don't know what they're doing, but you know what I'm saying? We got Big Puss.
Not Big Puss.
Little Puss. We got a little great turn.
Hey, show us your stomach. Show us your stomach.
Walking into some before I'm a roll back, son. I'm a dog. Nigga, the water.
Yeah.
What's up? You already know. It's your boy Break. We live on my YouTube right now. We out here. Big motherfucking Braylon in the cut. Motherfucker, bitch, I'm about to follow that cool. Kids the size of a fucking giraffe nuts. We out here in Hash Brown Town with all the white people. Yeah. Big. How many beers you down? Hey, look me back. Fuck that. That bitch hurts. Jelly bitch.
What's a jellyfish? But
go, motherfucker.
oh, turn. No, he has to turn on his interior lights to do that shit.
I'm trying to tie them together, chill.
Nigga, we put all of those under the car.
Just a couple. Hold on, wait.
Nigga, just do one. One's good enough.
No, we did 2 last night. We doing about 80. How many you doing? God damn.
Nigga, you gonna blow up somebody's house, nigga.
No, we gonna do four mailboxes.
What?
This shit.
Start it? Oh, he said he can't start it.
Oh my fucking god. Oh my god. Yeah.
Fuck shit.
Hello. You doing some shiesty shit?
Shiesty shit.
Is that on the YouTube?
Yeah. Shiesty shit. Big 4th of July shit, nigga. Stop fucking playing.
Hey, you might have to blur it out.
Long as shit. God. That thing gonna run out, son. Long ass videos.
You might need to blur it out when we blow it up at the house.
I'm not even gonna record it, nigga.
You know?
No, fuck no. Nigga, we fucking go to jail.
Hey,
You said you're gonna need some more gigabytes in your
can one of
phone.
y'all video
So-
when we get to the house? Yeah, but we can't put that shit on YouTube.
What?
Us blowing up the people.
Oh
Fuck,
yeah,
man.
boy, that shit fucking arson.
Oh! Motherfucker! Oh my god! Oh! Motherfucker! That shit was wild. Go! Oh, what up, YouTube gang? This is the end of the video. Finally got Big Red up and running, y'all. I'm gonna show y'all how she signed and shit. I'm gonna catch a little, I guess you said a little roller, but we finally fixed that. Fixed my cylinder 6, my valve collapsed. My valve spring collapsed, and then after that, cylinder 7 started fucking up. So he fixed all that, but she back up and running. She running better than ever. I got my cruise control back, got my remote start back, everything back. Engine light still on, but I got everything back, so it means shit fixed. So yeah, I'm gonna do that. So, and y'all let me know if y'all how y'all 4th of July went. Our shit went good, you know. Fireworks, we go pop a little, you know, a little pocket rocket and shit. So we go pop that bitch with my boys and shit. We was on some menace shit last night, so we did that. You know what I'm saying? But like I said, if y'all like the video, like, comment, and subscribe. Y'all share and repost my shit. We getting up there, y'all. I keep this shit up. Consistency is key. I ain't think it was true, but everybody said keep it consistent, and that's what we doing. So you know what I'm saying? Y'all like, comment, subscribe, share, and repost. Keep it going. Keep sharing. Keep liking. Keep watching. Trying to get them watch hours up. That's why I'm making my videos so long now. But it is what it is. J-Law, I'm gonna fuck with y'all next video. Since everybody wants a POV of my truck, here we go. It's not too bad. This is me all the way back. Right, this is eye level right here, ain't bad. Pouring down raining, just finished washing my shit. I'm about to park this bitch closer. But as y'all can tell, I have no engine light right now. You know what I'm saying? So we slide, y'all. She fixing everything, so about to scoot this bitch over. Rain coming down right now. Rain coming down, man. Fucking, that's Louisiana for you. Fucking hate it. Fucking hate it. I swear. My shit about to stand just like this. I'm about to try to polish my wheels. This is my tent. 5/20 on the windows, front and back. 5% on the back, right there. And I got 20 on the shield. Not too bad. So, but yeah, this is for everybody wanted a POV of my truck and everything. So here y'all go.